On this episode of EatUp Silicon Valley, we took a trip over the mountain to the Santa Cruz area for some craft beer at Discretion Brewing. This brewery has it all, including an amazing food establishment ran by our friend Santos called The Kitchen. Santos went from being a dishwasher to running this top-notch kitchen in Soquel. Let's grab a cold one and eat up. The tortilla is underrated. You come here, you're gonna get the good stuff. And that fish is amazing. It's so fluffy, and then you do have that fusion taste, like you were saying. Like you put that little spice at the end.
You ready? You got that? That was good. That was one good fish taco.
We're gonna go next with the fried rice. So this broccoli is right off of farmer's market.
Broccolini, right?
Yeah.
You have shiitake mushrooms?
Shiitake mushrooms, they come out of Moss Landing.
Moss Landing,
Yeah.
okay.
And then we got pork belly.
Oh, that's pork belly.
Of course you gotta add the
Oh, look at that, look at that. One more, what's this?
This is our own shoyu eggs.
So
Try to grab a little bit of everything in your bite.
you want to get everything. That's the trick here.
That's
Even with that taco, I wanted the slaw, I wanted the cilantro all in one bite. I have to go with your, and your mint too. You got a little mint.
Oh yeah, you gotta have that.
All that. All right. This is, I could put broccoli though. Let's just go with this.
It was chicken and waffle, but then because we always wanted to be like, showing our customers something different every time. We don't want you to get bored when you're coming in. So we decided to, why don't we try a fried quail? We could probably do something with quail.
And this is what I'm excited to try. Not every day. See, when I go out to eat, I like to order things I can't cook at home. And then we're gonna cook quail at home.
We love it. Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Wow. Good texture too. Guy, we can't come here and not have dessert. Look at this monster he made here. This is the churros taco.
And you get in right
Like
into
that?
the chantilly cream. That is just has a little bit of sweet with sugar and vanilla beans.
Fresh vanilla beans, wow. Yeah, you got a home run here at Discretion Brewery. You got to make sure you go to the Kitchen at Discretion, and then also just the amazing beer selection. Is there a specific order when you're doing a flight?
We do it in this order.
Okay.
But you can skip around however you want.
Very smooth, very light.
So that's our barrel-aged black lager. So the regular black lager is a German-style Schwarzbier.
Okay.
Dark and roasty without being heavy like a stout can be.
Yeah.
But with similar flavor profile. But that guy, we stuck some of them in some bourbon barrels, let it age for a couple of months, and it's got that nice bourbony flavor,
Gonna have that
but
kick to
still
it.
a light body.
And this one was Uncle
That's
Dave's?
Uncle Dave's.
See, I knew.
Yeah.
I knew. Yeah.
Uncle Dave's the man. it all the way from Big Sur up to San Mateo at this point. So we're distributing more than we used to, expanding slowly but surely.
I love these.
This is just so good. I can't comprehend how amazing this is. We couldn't have asked for a better food and beverage experience as we did here in Soquel. The Kitchen at Discretion Brewery will amaze your taste buds and leave you wanting to come back for more. Make sure to subscribe on YouTube, and we'll see you on the next Eat Up Silicon Valley.